Hello y'all, my name's Mike, and here in Austin, Texas, it's pretty cold. So I'll be making a dish called winter melon soup. It's one of my mom's favorite dish. She likes to eat this as a side dish. So I would like to show y'all how I make it. And here are the ingredients. What I have right here is a winter melon, and just keep in mind that do not compare this to any other melons like watermelon or cantaloupe. It's not sweet, but yet this flavor is very mild and it gives a really good savory flavor whenever you cook it. I removed the skin and I cut the winter melon into triangle wedges. However, it's literally up to y'all on what shape y'all make it, so just have fun with it and be creative. Winter melon is a really good source of fiber, and for every 1.5 cups of winter melon, it's about 5.7 grams of fiber. And according to the FDA, it is recommended for us to consume about 25 grams to 30 grams of fiber daily. Next, what I have here is a full-size shrimp, and what I did, I peeled the skin and I cut the head and I set those aside so I can make my shrimp stock. To make your shrimp stock, first add in your shrimp heads and your shrimp skin. Saute about a couple minutes, then add in your garlic and saute until fragrance. Add in 6 cups of water, let it boil, and then bring it down to a simmer and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I filtrate the soup into another pot and I add in fish sauce to give it more of an umami flavor. Once your soup becomes to a boil, add in your melon and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until your melon becomes soft and squishy. A good rule of thumb that I usually do is that I use a chopstick or a fork, and if it pierces through, then it's good to go. At any point, add in your peeled shrimp and let it cook for about a couple minutes. Here's the servings, and according to my fitness pal, here are the nutrition facts. And that's all for this video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the bottom, and thank y'all. Have a great day.